Hello techies, this is CompTIA TestOut 15.6 and we're going to troubleshoot a mobile device. So you are a junior IT professional at a small startup company. Your manager has asked you to prepare the marketing director's iPad and notebook computer for an upcoming conference that she is attending. While working on the notebook computer, you notice that the integrated Wi-Fi adapter is not functioning. So we're going to complete the following. We're going to turn off airplane mode and connect the iPad to the CompTIA wireless network, and the details are provided also. We're going to turn off Bluetooth, turn on the passcode, configure the iPad to require a passcode after 15 minutes of being idle, turn off simple passcode and enter a new passcode. We're also going to configure the iPad to erase all data after 10 failed passcode attempt. Alright, so what we're going to do is to go into the iPad, and in the iPad we want to locate the settings. In the settings we want to turn airplane mode off and connect the Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi is turned on, then we connect to CompTIA and we input the passphrase for CompTIA. You can copy this and paste, but I prefer to type this in. So we go ahead and join, and Bluetooth, we turn this off, and Touch ID and passcode. One 142 and as it's done. So for this we're going to set this at 15 minutes. Let's go back. We'll go ahead and turn this off and we impute 1542. We impute it again, 1542. Okay, impute the new passcode. We re-enter it again. You can copy this and paste to make this faster. And go ahead and enable and configure VPN settings. So let's go to general. Under general, I want to locate VPN and want to turn this on. And we'll go to PPTP, and the description is going to be Office 2 VPN, and the server provided is going to be 198.28.56.110, and the account is going to be M Brown. And we'll go ahead and save this. Click OK. Let's check answers and see what is left. We have to work on the laptop now, so let's keep working. Okay, so we'll go to the Office 2. We want to on the laptop install the fastest USB. So we want to go into let's look for the fastest USB. I'm going to turn the laptop back. and wireless adapter. Plug this in this port and flip this back to front. Let's go to search. Under search, I want to type in, we go into control panel and network and internet, and yes, set up connection. Go to next. Network name is going to be, this is the network name. We can copy this and paste, or we type it in, but I prefer to type mine in. So it's going to be TechCon-Wi-Fi. So WPA2 personal. Security key is going to be T3 CHC CON 2024. You uncheck this according to the tags, and we go ahead and click next. We go ahead and close these, and let's see, we go ahead and close these. Let's go back to start menu, and the start menu and open system. Under system, want to locate power and battery, and customize the plan to turn off the screen after 10 minutes. So we're going to set this to from 5 minutes to 10 minutes, and customize plan to put the computer to sleep after 30 minutes. So we're going to change this to 30 minutes, and we're also going to use the best power efficiency plan. Go ahead and check our answers, and see how we do. Everything is 100% correct. If you find this video helpful and need a more explanatory video that explains every move, every step I made in this video, you might also want to consider reaching me through email so that I can send you the longer email well explained, explain the video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.